Right, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be putting on these, my Cosmos. These unfortunately dried out, forgot to water them yesterday. I'll give them a good soak in a nice bath of water. So this should be alright now. I'm using these 9cm plastic pots and some of this multi-purpose compost from Wicks. It's 125 litres of peat-based compost with some feed in it. So yeah, let's get cracking, shall we? Yeah, this is the compost, lovely rich, peat-based, lovely light, good crumb to it, retains moisture really well. It's really good for starting seedlings off, taking cuttings, anything like that. As you can see, really light and fluffy, great, feels great in between your fingers and smells absolutely brilliant. I never thought I'd say that compost smells nice, but it does. Right, here we go. Let's start by teasing some out. I like to use a nice flat bladed dibber just to get underneath, like so. Because these have been left quite a long time, and we'll have to take them out like so, and then just gently tease them apart. As you can see there, that's a nice one. The grill system on there, sorry about the wind, everybody. It's lovely and refreshing today. And you want it into the compost like so. You want to keep them dead centre. A lot easier to work with then. Like so. Give them a good tap down. And off to one side. Same again. These are really nice, these. Really nice big strong plants. This has got a really good root system in this one. Nice and like so. Yeah, like I said, this compost is peat based, got a little bit of feed in, it's supposed to last about 6 weeks. But also I'll be feeding these twice a week from now on. They'll be my heated greenhouse, so they'll be coming on leaps and bounds. These can be put out when all chance of frost is gone, because they do not take to frost at all. Right, a couple more. But yeah, when they've grown a little bit bigger, I shall probably nip the tops out. I can bush out a little bit, stop them being so leggy. I should get more flowers from them then. And the little ones like this, just nice and gentle around there, like so. Waste not, want not. One more. This one. So there's two of those, you can see. Just give them a little gentle tease, like so. And then nicely around. Yeah, Cosmos, I think every cottage garden needs a few. They are really good for filling any gaps that you've got in your borders. Just pinch some more out. Yeah, any gaps you've got in your borders, they do a really good job of filling in. They're really nice, really nicely scented, and the insects, bees and butterflies, really do like them. So all round, a really good show you get off these. This is what happens when you leave them too long. I won't recommend them being left in the trays this long, because as you can see, they take a little bit of teasing out. When they're smaller, they're a lot easier to handle. But one good thing about them being this size, once they've been in here a week or so, they'll really fill out, and then I can just nip the tops out. There'll be plenty of tied shoots there. They'll be really nice big strong plants. So yeah, that's how to put on your Cosmos. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Bye.